What's up guys, and the best Pixel we all wanted is here. We have all the new details, official press render, official specs courtesy of Roland, as always spot on. Google has officially announced that the event will take place on September 30th, but we don't have to wait till then because all is here. The Pixel 5 is everything that Pixel 4 wasn't. The ultra-wide-angle camera, a beautiful, brighter, higher refresh rate AMOLED display, best designed Pixel phone ever with a surprisingly minimal chin that might even surpass the iPhone. This is Google's true redemption. Now before we move forward, a huge thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I've been really enjoying Netflix on my phone because I'm watching shows that are normally not available in my region, all thanks to Private Internet Access VPN. They've got over 10,000 VPN servers in 70 different countries, hence I can access US Netflix or UK Netflix and unlock all the shows or pretty much any geo-restricted content, so no matter where you're traveling in the world, you're always going to be connected to your favorite applications. They've got over 1 million users globally and they received PC Mag's Editor's Choice Award in 2020. Private Internet Access VPN is available on all major platforms including Mac, Windows, iPhone, and Android. One of the best features of PIA VPN is that it allows you to connect 10 devices simultaneously, which is great if you want to share this with your friends and family. They've got 24/7 support, and best of all, it protects your privacy on the internet from hackers and spammers. Now as always, to make the deal sweeter for you guys, if you use my special link in the description, you'll get 77% off and 3 extra months for free when you download the application. Again, that is through my link which is in the description, so don't forget to check it out and get the online protection you need. So let's begin with the absolute biggest improvement we have with the Pixel 5, and that is the battery. The number one reason why the Pixel 4 was the bust of the year was because of its poor battery. So this time Google went extra mile by putting a 4080 mAh cell, which is actually quite a lot bigger than the 3700 mAh battery of the Pixel 4 XL from last year. It also supports 18-watt fast charging, and you also get the charger out of the box. The front design is massively improved. We have a single punch hole camera. It's a 6-inch 1080p AMOLED HDR panel with 90Hz refresh rate, which is a perfect news because higher refresh rate is very important in 2020. Thankfully, Google is not disappointing us here. It's also said to be brighter than last year's model. Of course, with that forehead, gone is the extra gimmicky stuff from last year, the Solid radar chip, and along with that, Google got rid of that 3D facial scanner in favor for a reliable and fast physical fingerprint scanner on the back. Now Google has added some additional sensor including spectral and flicker sensor. We have 2 high quality stereo speakers implementation. As always, Google Pixel devices are famous for delivering one of the best speaker performances, and Pixel 5 will not be any exception. Then we have not 1, not 2, but 3 microphones along with Bluetooth 5.0 and 5G connectivity. The back design is said to be a combination of matte finish with aluminum sides, definitely a lot more premium than the Pixel 4a. Now one major reason why I never really used the Pixel 4 XL camera despite it being so good is because of the lack of ultra-wide-angle lens. Not only that, the video performance was also not on iPhone's level or close to it, but Google has improved and added both of these 2 things on the Pixel 5. The main camera sensor is a 12.2 megapixel sensor similar to the Pixel 4, but it's got a brand new 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens. Google's special software optimization will bring probably the best ultra-wide-angle lens performance on any phone, especially if Google combines that night side with its ultra-wide-angle lens. The front camera is coming at 8 megapixel, which is said to be similar to the Pixel 4, which is already pretty great. It's got night sight and all those good features built in. As for the video, Google has improved its video software performance on Pixel 4a, which means that we're gonna see even better results on the Pixel 5. Apparently, the Pixel 5 will be able to shoot videos 1080p at 240 fps, 4K and 1080p up to 60 fps. Now inside the phone we have Snapdragon 765 5G processor along with 8 gigs of RAM, which is a perfect combination to give you guys a smooth performance because Google will be optimizing everything thanks to its smooth pure Android 11 goodness. The best part about this chip is that it allows Pixel 5 to be way more cheaper than the Pixel 4 from last year and even more cheaper than flagship devices from Samsung and even Apple. The The starting league price of the Pixel 5 could be $650 or $699. As for the colors, the information says that we might get black or green colors. So seems like Google has addressed all the failures of last year's model, the price, the design, the ultra wide angle camera, a 90Hz refresh rate display, but this time with a much bigger battery. I feel like Pixel 5 is delivering an excellent value for this price point, but if you still can't afford to buy the Pixel 5, fear not, Google has another great value for money phone coming out, and that is the Pixel 4a 5G. This phone has a bigger size, a bigger battery, same processor as the Pixel 5, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 5G chip, same ultra wide angle camera as the Pixel 5 for just $499. This makes the Pixel 4a 5G the most solid 5G smartphone out there. Of course, you miss out on 90Hz refresh rate. You also miss out on a premium design because it's gonna be all plasticky. Plus, the RAM on this phone will be 6GB, unlike 8, which will be exclusive to the Pixel 5 model. So again, for the best of the best, the Pixel 5 is the one. Google has carefully selected all the features to bring you the ultimate high-end mid-range phone. Google's current 2020 lineup is looking incredible for the value. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.